Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're tired of boring weeknight dinners, this recipe is for you. Today I'm making a comforting plant-based meal using kale and cannellini beans. It's versatile, easy to make and packed with protein, fiber and nutrients. You'll find the full list of ingredients in the description below. Follow these simple steps and let's make this delicious dish together. I start by sauteing onions until translucent, then add tomatoes. I add a little water and cover the pot for 2 minutes. This time is enough for the tomatoes to break down. I add kale, vegeta and water, then cook it on low for 5 minutes. I add the beans, garlic powder and garam masala and stir to combine. I add a little water, adjust salt to taste and let it simmer on low for 5 minutes. In this time, all the flavors blend in well. Our kale and beans dish is ready and the kitchen smells so good. This quick and easy recipe makes a great lunch or dinner idea and is perfect for meal prep. We served it with rice and chicken stew and it was so tasty and very satisfying. If you like this recipe, please give it a like, comment down below, and share it with someone who likes quick and easy meals. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you all in my next video.